So today I'm going to be installing a 50-inch light bar on my Can Am X3. This light bar is made by Kemimoto, and this kit in particular will fit onto the Can Am X3 or the Can Am Maverick R. This is about as wide as you can go on the X3. It does come with the mounting brackets, the wiring harness, and your hardware. And that's pretty much all you need for this. This is a multicolored light bar as well as just a normal light bar. Should not be too hard of an install. Normally I just wire directly into my gang switch, but all of my spots are taken. But I do have a blank spot right here. I think I'll go ahead and mount it there. Fill that spot in. I'll have to take the seat out and the panel to the key on power that is located underneath the shifter kind of. But I'm not going to film all that. I'll show you what it looks like after it's installed. Basically it just mounts right here where your mirror holes are. That's where those mounts go, and then you put the mirrors on the outside of those, and the light bar goes in between the two. All right, let's throw it on. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, there you go guys, got it all installed. Like I said before, this is about as wide as you want to go with the X3. These are nice mounts they give you. Very nice. We'll take a look at the different colors and everything when it gets a little bit darker out. So for the floodlight, you just push the top button. Very nice. I'll wait for it to get a little bit darker, then we'll try out the RGB function and we'll see what that looks like. The signature lights down here, those are Kemimoto also. I'll put a link to all these products in the description of the video.